parcel of land situated within the proposed area to be established as special economic zone under SP Draft Resolution number 2025-08-024, entitled Resolution favorably endorsing the establishment of special economic zone in designated areas within the territorial jurisdiction of the municipality of Orosur. At this time of the committee hearing and deliberation, the proponent or the resources speaker represented only site development plans and did not provide the complete list of affected lands, parcels, and owners. Hence, I was unaware of my direct interest during the committee proceedings. In view of this fact, and in faithful observance of the provisions of Republic Act 6713, Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, Republic Act 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, and Republic Act number 7160, Local Government Code of 1991, and to avoid any appearance of conflict of interest, I hereby respectfully inhibit myself from further deliberation in the deliberation and voting on the said resolution and related matters. This inhibition is made to preserve the integrity of the proceedings of this august body, avoid any appearance of partiality, and uphold the principle of transparency and accountability in public service. So manifested, Mr. Presiding, for the record.